Hello all creative designer, welcome back to Design Coach. So today we are going to learn wireframe layout designing part 2. Start. Let's start with the designing. In this part 3 we are creating the third section in the Figma design. It shows something like case studies or something portfolio of the digital agency. So here is the already we have a divider. After the divider we have some big heading and text and something links or buttons. So I using the same heading section again into the section 3. I just give the name heading title of sections and again we use the same section here and duplicate it and align with the top. Okay. For the image we need to be increase some heights of layout. Okay. Now I use this image block and duplicate it. In this we can create 3 portfolio case studies. So we just copy this and give the same height again 4 to 4. Delete and duplicate this again and command D. Duplicate. So we created this section and convert into auto layout, and this also need to convert auto layout. In between we have a 56 pixel space. Okay. Again I just duplicate this line as a divider of section. So friends, now these 3 sections we designed from the low fidelity wireframe to high fidelity wireframe. We just click on this frame and preview how it looks like in a wireframe. I just select this preview and go to the setting and resize the window 100%. The 100% window resize will give you a preview how it look like. You just scroll it, see the section, feature section and the last one section. So friends, here we created the basic wireframe. Thank you to watch my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.